Today's smartphones can easily replace professional cameras, but without the right accessories, it's hard to get the most out of them. So in this video, I'll show you some of the best accessories that turn your iPhone into a true pro camera setup. This small gadget might look simple, but trust me, it's a lifesaver if you use your phone as your main camera. It's like external storage, and the idea is brilliantly simple. You plug it into your iPhone and instantly you have extra high-speed storage without installing any apps or changing any settings. Here's a real-world example. When I film in analog format, the video files are massive. My iPhone usually shows I can record maybe 3 to 5 minutes of footage before running out of space. But after connecting Zyke, suddenly it jumps to 1 hour and 13 minutes. That's a massive difference. This is especially helpful if you're shooting a long travel sequence, an interview, or a time-lapse and you don't want to constantly worry about running out of memory. The transfer speed is impressive too, fast enough for smooth 4K and even ProRes recording. One of my favorite details is that Zyke also displays real-time information, like the current phone temperature, energy consumption, and transfer speed. If you've ever filmed in hot conditions, you know how easily iPhones can overheat. So this feature actually helps you monitor that in real time. Zyke also comes with a short magnetic cable, so you can mount it neatly behind your iPhone instead of having it dangle awkwardly. For mobile creators, this is probably one of the most essential accessories you can buy right now. The next accessory is all about comfort and stability. The Sandmark grip. I've used a lot of grips and handles, for action cameras, for smartphones, even for compact cameras, but this one instantly stood out. It's built from solid aluminum, has a premium matte finish, and feels extremely secure in hand. When you pick it up, you immediately feel that it's designed for creators who value durability. The Creator Grip is compatible with most iPhone lenses, filters, tripod, lights, and cases. In addition, it is suitable for external attachments with a cold shoe mount, such microphone, and external SSD to help take content even further. The grip has two built-in mounts, which means you can attach accessories like a light, a microphone, or even a second phone if you use Sandmark's hybrid adapter system. It's extremely flexible, perfect for vloggers or mobile filmmakers who want to keep their setup compact but functional. A flexible mounting tool built for creators who demand versatility. Precision machined from industrial-grade aluminum, you can mount your SSD or mobile phone with the integrated clamp or snap on MagSafe compatible accessories like power banks for extended shoots. The hand strap is another small but thoughtful detail. It's soft, adjustable, and gives you extra security when filming in crowded places or while moving around. Everything about this grip feels well engineered, from the precise tightening mechanism to the way it fits in your palm. And when you're done filming, you can pack it neatly in its hard shell carrying case that comes with it. A nice touch that many brands forget. If I had to mention one drawback, is that the Sandmark grip doesn't have a zoom or switching mode trigger, so you need to touch your phone screen to zoom in or switch modes, which brings us perfectly to the next accessory. If you're looking for something lightweight, compact, and surprisingly smart, this Telesin Magic Grip might be the best MagSafe grip I've used so far. The first thing you'll notice is how slim and minimal it is. It adds almost no bulk, so you can keep it attached and still slip your phone into your pocket. For travel or quick street filming, this makes a huge difference. The build quality is clean and solid, yet it weighs almost nothing. That makes it ideal for handheld vlogging or even low-angle shots, where every extra gram counts. And here's the part that really impressed me. The ultra-low power design. This grip doesn't need to be charged. Yes, you heard that right, no charging needed at all. It operates using ultra-low power Bluetooth technology, drawing a tiny amount of energy directly from the phone, which means it can stay connected for long periods without affecting your battery noticeably. This feature alone makes it one of the most convenient mobile grips available today. It's also universally compatible, not just for iPhones. Telesin designed it to work with most modern phones that support Bluetooth and magnetic attachments, including Apple, Huawei, Honor, Xiaomi, Redmi, Vivo, OnePlus, and iQOO devices. So even if you switch phones later or film with multiple devices, the same grip will still work perfectly. Once connected, go to your accessibility settings, zoom on iPhone or equivalent on Android. From there, the grip automatically syncs and gives you physical zoom controls, mode switching, and even shortcut triggers. You can zoom in or out smoothly without touching the screen, which keeps your framing more stable and your workflow faster. It comes with a comfortable wrist strap, giving you extra safety while filming outdoors or while moving. The magnetic attachment is strong and reliable. I tested it while running, panning, and walking through crowded streets, and it stayed perfectly secure. It's a smart, elegant little grip that makes filming with your phone feel more natural, almost like holding a dedicated compact camera. Just remember, it's not waterproof, so keep it dry and avoid using it in heavy rain. But for daily outdoor shooting, it's a fantastic tool to keep in your kit. And speaking of water, this next one is something I've been personally excited to test, because as some of you already know, I'm a professional scuba diver, and I've used many waterproof cases over the years. Some good, some disappointing, but this one really impressed me. It's the Telesin waterproof case, rated for depths up to 20 meters. That means you can take it snorkeling, diving, or filming underwater without worrying about leaks or damage. The design feels premium, with strong seals, a responsive shutter button, and excellent visibility for your screen even under direct sunlight. It's clear that Telesin put serious thought into making this case durable and functional, not just a plastic shell. The iPhone camera quality underwater is surprisingly good, especially when paired with this case, which maintains the sharpness and color accuracy really well. I've taken it down during dives, and it worked flawlessly. I'll actually make a separate episode dedicated just to this waterproof case, where I'll compare it side by side with the upcoming DJI Action 6. That's gonna be an interesting comparison, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. And finally, a small but surprisingly useful accessory, the Telesin selfie mirror. It might look simple, but it solves a common problem. When you film yourself with a rear camera, which usually has the best image quality, you can't see the screen. That makes it hard to frame your shot perfectly. This magnetic mirror attaches directly to any MagSafe phone or case, and lets you see your reflection while filming. It's a simple concept but incredibly effective. I used a similar one from Near before. If you're doing vlogs, travel videos, or self-recorded content, this is an essential little tool that helps you look perfectly framed every time, without needing a monitor or a second phone. So these are my top accessories for the iPhone 16, 17 and other mobile phones, tools that can really help you unlock the full potential of your smartphone camera. With the Zyke external storage, you'll never have to worry about running out of memory again. The Sandmark grip gives you professional level stability and control. The Telesin Magic Grip adds smart functionality and quick access controls. The underwater case lets you explore a whole new world beneath the surface. And the selfie mirror makes framing your shots effortless. Together, they transform your iPhone into a complete mobile filmmaking setup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which of these accessories you'd like me to test in more detail. And in one of my next episodes, I'll show you the best accessories for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Accessories that will let you use it just like a pro camera. So stay tuned, and as always, thanks for watching.